second example. Here we have x plus 5 in absolute value. So the tricky thing about this one is that we don't know what the value of x is. So our first step is to plot the line y is equal to x plus 5 onto this chart. Alright, so let's plug in 2 points. First one, x equals 0. When x equals 0, y equals 5. When x is negative 5, y equals 0. Now let's connect these points to form the line. Right. Now let's study this chart. Right, so when x is greater than or equal to negative 5, the y value is greater than 0. Then, when x is less than negative 5, the y value is less than 0. And there we go. We've solved our second equation. Alright, let's look at our last example here. Here, we have x squared minus 5x plus 4 in absolute value. Let's draw this graph as y is equal to x squared minus 5x plus 4. Right. Now we need to find at which values of x when y equals 0. So we get x minus 1 times x minus 4. Right, so when x equals 1 and 4, y equals to 0. So let's plug these into our chart. When x equals 2, y equals negative 2. When x equals 3, y equals negative 2. And so our vertex is somewhere here. Right, so let's analyze this graph. So when we look at when x is less than 1 and greater than 4, we see that the y is greater than 0. So when x is less than or equal to 1 and when x is greater than or equal to 4. Now, when we look at when x is between 1 and 4, we see that the y value is below 0. Alright, so there we go. We've drawn our chart and we've analyzed this. So this is our first step of absolute value. Thanks for watching.